Hi, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm also known as Wiggin' with Christy on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I'm one of the reviewers for our Wig Studio One team. Thank you for checking out our channel and this video. This is a review on the SIZZLE Wig by TressAllure in the color 3332R4. So today we're going to talk about the new style and this beautiful color, and you can find all the links down below to this wig as well as all the TressAllure pieces at wigstudio1.com, and also there'll be links to Wig Studio One's Facebook, Instagram, social media accounts, and our Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, which is a private group of over 25,000 ladies where you can join and get support and guidance, wig tips, and we hope that you check that out. All right, SIZZLE. I love this wig. I love the color. I did an unboxing in front of indirect light, which is my favorite, and I'll show you outside lighting of this wig here in a moment. So you want to stay tuned for that because that was actually shown in my favorite lighting of overcast lighting. And if you didn't know, overcast lighting is kind of like the best lighting to see wig colors. So make sure you watch this whole video to see that. All right, so SIZZLE is part of the new realistic light fiber from TressAllure. So I'll talk about that in just a moment. So this wig has a sheer comfort mono top and ear-to-ear lace front. So the ear-to-ear lace front is like 1.25 inches of ear-to-ear lace front where it's undetectable hairline. So I mean, just look at that. It looks absolutely incredible. Now TressAllure has always had like one of my most favorite lace fronts and monofilament tops. And then I think with these new realistic fiber line, it's even better. And then this also has a mono top hand tied. So this whole section is monofilament hand tied. It's a sheer soft hand knotted and mesh top. So you can part it in any direction that you want, but it's also going to be very comfortable on your scalp. The open wefting here in the back allows for airflow, and it does have the adjustable closures in the back, the adjustable Velcro closures, and that's for a more customizable fit to bring that in or let it out for room. This is an average size fitting. I haven't made any adjustments to it. My head is a 21.75 inch head, and I feel like it fits very nicely on my head. I could see where this will fit larger than my head and also smaller, and you can definitely bring that in too. So it has lateral wefting, which means that it's stretch wefting, and it provides a comfort fit and molds itself and contours to your head structure. So that's why I find that with these, especially the TressAllure, you can bring them out or bring them in, and then these wefts, the stretch in them are going to contour to your scalp. All right, so now let's talk about the handcrafted with realistic light fiber. So it's a proprietary blend of hollow synthetic fibers, and they perfectly replicate like a human hair look. So it's going to move and feel like human hair and allow you to use heat on it. So you can use straightener, hot rollers, curling iron, up to 320 degrees is what TressAllure says, which is 160 Celsius. Now, at Wig Studio One, we always typically recommend 260 degree temperatures on all heat-friendly fibers. I just want you to know that on the website, it does say 320 on this one, and that's per TressAllure. So I would honestly start at 260 and then kind of work your way up. I don't like to automatically apply very high heat at once to my wigs. I like to try a temp, try it, keep going if I need a little bit more. So that's just my personal opinion on that, and I just wanted to give that advice. All right, so the bangs on this is a 6 to 11 inch bang. And why they say that is you have like this layer here, and then they gradually get a little bit longer. So they have like a 6 and then these gradual bangs. And so they kind of say the bang as a whole is 6 to 11 inches. You have the crown down is going to be 15 inches. The nape is 15 inches. The cap, they say, is 21.5 inch cap. So I just have to say that. But like I said, mine is a 21.75 inch. I didn't take it out. There is room to go out. So I definitely think this could fit up to a 22.5. This also weighs 5.6 ounces. And they do say that it's an average cap. Okay, so let's go ahead and show inside this cap here. Now, first of all, let's talk about this color because I'm in love with this color. I've had this color before and I feel like it just lays so much prettier on this. I think I have this color on the Glam Wig, and I think I've had it on one of the bobs, but I really, really love it on this Sizzle wig. So it's 32, 33, R4. So it's a dark auburn blend, rooted dark brown. Now, as you can see, it's very highlighted. In fact, I feel like this looks like fiery copper from Raquel Welch. Again, just my personal opinion. All right, so, and I haven't had fiery copper in a while, but we have an extended lace front, full monofilament top, really soft mesh fabric on that monofilament. We have velvet felt ear tabs, velvet felt extended nape with the Velcro adjusters. Now these wefts, as you can see, they kind of stretch and they kind of, you can see where it's going to go back and form to your head. So it really allows for that. All right, let's put this back on. You always want to dip back into your wig. Use your ear tabs to adjust where you want that to lay. Now for this part, you can part it any direction. It's ready to go. Look at that. This is just where I unparted it in my unboxing. Anywhere you want to unpart that, it's going to look so natural. This is beautiful. These fibers feel so soft and so like normal hair. On both sides, let a little bit of that layer hang. You can also put this up all the way up in a claw. I love claws in the fall and winter. This is just a sloppy claw, but you want to work those fibers. You can definitely get this off in a little bit more structured style. Lays so nice, feels so natural. This Sizzle wig is to die for. It's gonna be at a higher price point for its luxurious features and with this realistic fiber that replicates a human hair feel and lighter feel to what synthetic fibers are offering out there. And you can apply heat to this and style it. So let us know down below what your thoughts are on Sizzle. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Bye.